Quakertown, traffic red and white Cessna on left base, runway 29er, Quakertown.
Runaway Cessna?
Red and white. Yeah, because they weren't here when I left, when Norm and I left. That's why I said, hey, they're not here, you know, kind of check, because I was hoping we could take the red one, because it's just more comfortable for Jamie. And
yeah, someone on the speaker just said, oh, here he is. He's
yeah,
red
and white Cessna, yeah.
But did they announce that for
Quakertown,
us?
traffic red and white Cessna on final, runway 29er, Quakertown.
They're on final,
Okay.
yeah.
See him coming in, James? Your mic still working?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're doing loud and clear.
This is a Skyhawk also, right?
Yeah, right.
I can just announce it, Skyhawk.
Yep.
Oh, there you go. There's a red one.
And then I'd wait to announce. You can pull up and you can look, and then if you see them turn off, you can get in. But I always wait to announce till I hear them, or at least until they're on the taxiway,
Gotcha.
just because I don't want to hurry anybody. You know.
Yep.
Especially out here, there's a lot of students soloing and things, and I just don't want to. Oh, when you solo, there's going to be a guy out here.
Hey Bob, you there?
I'm here.
Forgot to meet up with you afterwards. Forgot to reconcile some things.
You did not. There's not a thing. Everything is perfect. Have a nice flight back. Bye.
Thanks. Sorry about that.
Norm, forget it.
I'm headed back to Quakertown. Sit tight.
No, I'm in the airplane. I'm in the sky.
Okay, any good place to leave things?
Yeah, in your son's dresser drawer. I can't talk anymore. Okay, let's go.
Quakertown, traffic red and white Cessna, clear the active, Quakertown.
Okay.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk departing runway 29, staying in the pattern, Quakertown.
So you use the same speeds and everything on this one. You're going to end up landing a little slower because this has a stall kit on it. But
yeah, I remember it felt a little different than last time.
It'll feel a little different than the red one. Do everything exactly the same.
Okay, ready, James?
Yep.
It'll take a little longer to get off the ground because we've got an extra person in here today. And it's hot, so there you go. Nice. Nice. Way to go. Beautiful. Somebody's enjoying their pool this morning.
Yeah.
There's a pool right on the right side over here.
Traffic, green and white, Archer, entering midfield, left downwind 29er, Quakertown.
You see the climb rate's a little less, it's a little slower because normally we're at least at 1,000 when we get out to these buildings. And
Yeah.
Quakertown traffic, red and white Cessna departing runway 29er, Quakertown. We'll be staying in the pattern.
so there's one guy coming in, there's the other guy behind us. So if you'd rather go fly a little, then come
Quakertown
back.
traffic.
Yeah, that's what I'll do.
Okay.
I'll take it out past the turnpike. I'll get up to, I'll climb to 1,500 foot elevation, and then I'll come back around to enter the downwind.
Yeah, you can do that, or we can fly, and then you can do, do a landing, because...
That's fine. Yeah. James, I'll take you out past our house. So this is Route 663 to our left. We're just about to cross the turnpike. Crazy how it's the same plane, but handle is way different.
Yep.
Well, like you said too, I guess we got a third person with us.
Well, and it's hot, and
traffic.
this is, I think this
White
is,
Archer,
this
short
is
final
10,
29er, Quakertown.
10 horsepower less, I think, than the other one, and the other one has a much newer engine. And this has the stall kit on it, so again, watch your nose now, watch the, there you go.
Quakertown traffic, red and white Cessna, ready to turn to downwind. Are you staying in the pattern there?
Attitude, power, trim. So
he was asking if we were staying in the pattern.
He was talking. We're way gone. So
Okay.
Quakertown traffic, red and white Cessna on upwind to runway left downwind to runway 29er, Quakertown.
So you still keep it in the green. Same with this one.
So you always want to set the power first. You want attitude,
Archer
then
clear,
set the power,
29er, Quakertown.
then wait a little bit and then trim, because you're trimming to an airspeed. So you want to make sure that the airplane gets to the airspeed before you trim. Otherwise, you're going to be constantly fiddling with the trim.
Gotcha.
Quakertown traffic, red and white Cessna on left downwind, runway 29er, Quakertown.
It's not as bumpy as I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Orange County traffic, Can Beach Sierra entering the downwind for 22, Orange County.
Doing all right back there, James?
Yep, I'm good.
All right. I'm always scared out of my socks when I get in the airplane with him, so you're doing much better than me.
Don't tell me that.
Okay, so James, there is Green Lane Reservoir. And this is our house right there. You see it? See the development? The association? The garage over there?
That's the YMCA? Can
Yeah,
you hear
right
me?
below us. Yep.
Yeah, we can hear you fine.
That's the YMCA, right?
Yeah, so this is Route 29 Main Street.
I don't know, I lost you guys.
This is Route 29 Main Street.
Oh, okay, I see.
You see the bend in the road there where our house is? See Gordon's red roof?
Yeah.
That's our house up by the front. I'm going to take you right around the front of it.
You're doing a great job. Fred, you're doing really
Quakertown
wonderful.
traffic, red and white Cessna on left base, runway 29er, Quakertown.
You see the front of our house?
Yeah, I do.
See the yellow truck?
Zoom in. Oh, that's cool. I don't know. I think I always thought when I came out and waved that you would be clearly able to see me, but
Quakertown traffic, red and white Cessna on final, runway 29er, Quakertown.
Now I realize that people are really small.
Princeton traffic, Cirrus 893 Sierra Romeo overhead the airport, turning left downwind 28 Princeton.
I'll take you out over the Green Lane Reservoir, okay?
Okay. Do the other people hear us talking?
No, I don't have, so there's a button here that I have to depress to talk out to everyone else. So as long as you're not talking when we're doing that, you're good.
Well, the mic probably doesn't, is probably disabled for back there, so it's probably just the two of us.
Gotcha.
Because when you have the mic depressed, they can't hear me talking.
Princeton traffic, Cirrus 893 Sierra Romeo left downwind 28 Princeton.
I didn't realize that, so when I'm...
So you can yell and scream at him as much as you want because nobody else will hear.
I didn't realize when I press the button, they don't hear you talk.
It shuts everybody off.
Gotcha.
And that's the reason, because, you know, it's funny because when my daughter, the youngest one, was probably, I don't know, 3, I was doing a fairly, the weather was fairly
traffic, Cirrus 893 Sierra Romeo left base 28 Princeton.
And Laura, her sister, and her brother were sitting in the back, and they said, "Dad, Abby's throwing up, Abby's throwing up." And I said, "If you don't be quiet, I'm going to press the mic, and then you won't be able to talk to me at all. You take care of her." You know? Yeah, you can't see Pottstown Towers today, otherwise you could point those out to her with me.
Quakertown traffic clear, they're active. Quakertown.
So Jane, when we go on our bike ride, that's night road that we ride through the reservoir?
Huh? This is all Green Lane water?
This is all Green Lane Reservoir, yep.
And then the ski hill is right over here somewhere, but so much easier to pick it out in the winter because it's white. I think it's right. I don't know. Somewhere out here.
Should I be stopping the video or let it go?
No, you can let it run.
Oh, there's Pottstown.
Yeah, so Jane, there's Limericks, the towers, see?
There. Oh, yeah.
Can you see them out there?
Yeah, I see it.
So we're traveling at 110 miles an hour right now, Jane.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Doesn't feel like it, does
No,
it?
not at all.
Yeah, that's the nice thing about an airplane, and it's all straight line. So something that might take you 2 hours to drive takes you half an hour in the airplane.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
This is a nice house right here back by the water.
Yeah, that is a nice house, isn't it?
Driveway is.
See them all out on the water in the kayaks?
Yeah. I don't know why we don't do that. We should.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk 734 Alpha Uniform is 5 miles south inbound, runway 29, Quakertown traffic.
Don't give him any ideas. He's got to get this done first. Then he can... There's a little parking lot in the park down on the right-hand side here, too.
See the right-hand side, Jane?
You're really doing a great job, Fred. This is tough to be a tour guide and to fly. You're really maintaining everything well. A lot of people can't do this even after they get their certificate. So you're doing a nice job. And you're also looking for traffic, which is the most important thing.
Yep. So Jane, I'll take you around. You can see the dam. The Green Lane Dam will be off to your left.
Is this a Perkiomen bridge? Are we in Perkiomen here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Too bad it's not clear. If it were clear, you could see downtown Philly from here on a clear day.
You can see it if you look really hard.
Quakertown traffic, red and white Cessna,
you kind of know where it is.
Look at the quarry.
Staying in the pattern.
Oh, yeah.
Quakertown.
That's
oh, yeah.
cool.
Well, if we have time, I might be able to run you out to Nakamixon where the quarry is.
Yeah,
the big quarry.
You can do that, yeah. There's nobody after us, I don't think, in the airplane, so.
Right.
It's your dime, you can do whatever you want, and after you, I've got nothing. I had 2 people before you, but Ken and I ended up not flying because of the...
So there's the dam. Jamie, see it?
Oh, yeah, I see.
So we can go over to Nakamixon, no problem. Let's see. Is the president still doing his thing? Yes, it is, so we have to be a little careful over there.
What's going on?
The president's at his golf club up at Bedminster, and so the airspace is all closed, fairly close to us here. But so you won't be able to get over the lake, but you can go to the airport, and then you'll be able to see the lake.
Okay.
You're heading pretty much right at Penridge Airport now.
And how do I get my view to look like your view?
Go there and put sectional.
Quakertown traffic, Sky 4 Alpha Uniform at the 45, runway 29, and entering left downwind, 29, Quakertown.
Got it? No.
Aerial map?
Should say sectional.
Quakertown traffic, right on way Cessna, crosswind to left downwind on runway 29, Quakertown.
It's sectional, right?
Yeah. US VFR sectional.
Oh, there we go.
And then you're going to have to change the... Oh, there you go. Okay. Yep, now you got it. Yeah, if you just hold this heading, you'll get right over. Don't go any farther east than the airport.
Okay.
And obviously you know how to make it bigger and smaller.
Quakertown traffic, right on way Cessna on left downwind, runway 29,
As you can see, this is all the TFR there. And so you can't go into that unless you want to see it. Unless you want Jamie to see an F-16 up close and personal, you can, then you can go in it.
Nope, that's all right. So, yeah, so it's restricted airspace right now. What, did you say was the president?
Yeah, because that's his golf club up there. Bedminster.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk 734 Alpha Uniform is on base to final, runway 29, Doylestown. Quakertown.
He'll get it right sooner or later. One of these towns.
Where are we right now?
So we just crossed back over the turnpike. We just passed, or going to be passing Quakertown Airport, right to our left where we took off. And we're heading towards the quarry at Penridge Airfield, Ridge Road.
And there's another quarry down here to our right.
It looks so cool from the sky.
Yeah.
That's the one on Ridge Road, James, right
okay.
by Allentown, or actually county line.
Like a little boy's play.
So there's the lake over there.
Yep. You see the abandoned quarry in East Rock Hill Township.
Oh yeah.
I don't know. I think we used to go up there.
Quakertown traffic, right on way Cessna on left base.
You guys are in the quarries?
Quakertown.
So as kids, we used to swim in the quarry.
Oh, I suppose.
Over
Yeah,
here.
sure. Yeah.
They don't let you anymore, but.
I come from northern Wisconsin. We don't have such a thing as quarries, but we had so many lakes you could go swimming just about any time, anywhere.
Yeah. A little bumpy. It's not horrible though.
Yep. And so the airport's right in front of you. So you can circle if you want to go to the left a little and circle around the airport, but don't go east of the airport.
Okay.
Because the quarry, I think, is over there, right?
Yeah, the quarry's right over here.
Yeah.
Quakertown traffic, red and white Cessna on final, runway 29 or Quakertown.
So James, here's downtown Percy. We're flying right over top of Percy, where I grew up.
They got a neat car show. I always like that Percy car show.
Yeah, the Percy car show is not happening this year.
No,
but,
just like Lansdale's. Lansdale's kind of the biggest one, but Percy always has got some good stuff too. A friend of mine lives over there.
Yeah.
Go to it.
So where are we?
309 is to your right. Airport's back off your left shoulder.
Okay, that's Sellersville. That's the new bridge. There's Percy. See where the tree lighting is, James? See the big copper roof? See the big copper point? The big copper roof?
Make a 45 for the field. 29. Sabre.
Can you hear me?
Every once in a while I can.
Yeah, those are, this is, the airplane is not the best.
So you see the copper roof out there? That's where the tree lighting is.
Quakertown traffic, clear the I-10, Quakertown.
Let's make a left, or unless you want to go right, but I don't want you to go much farther east.
What, so you want me to...
I either want you to turn left or right. I don't want you to go farther straight. I don't want you to go farther straight ahead.
Okay, can I circle left to the quarry?
Yeah,
Yep.
you can go left, that's fine.
Oh, I understand. I see right here, you mean?
Yep, there you go. Yeah, so you can see where we are, and you can see where the red is.
Yep.
And you get one wingtip into the TFR. It won't be your problem, because I'm in charge, but you get one wingtip into the TFR, and you're gonna...
So can I fly straight over the airstrip? Or?
Yes.
Okay. So there's you see the copper roof, James? There's the electric shop.
Yeah.
Where I worked for 16 years right there.
Oh, you're not that old. Okay, you must have started when you were 2.
19, yeah.
And Lake Nakamixon's off to our right.
Yeah, so that's Jane. Right now, that's a restricted airspace, so I can't take you over there. But you'll be able to see the quarry here.
Okay.
Oh, they're jumping today. Parachute's jumping.
What is it?
They have parachute jumpers out of here. I see the jump plane is down there. Rising with the TFR, because those guys can get blown off, actually.
How do I get that back on my location?
Well, yeah, that's the thing. This is not a moving map, so you have to you have to move the map.
I got you.
I'm sure they'll come out with it sooner or later, but right now it's not.
So there's the quarry, James.
Why does the water look that color?
It's just cloudy. I don't know. It used to be clear. They must be doing some work there, to be honest with you.
Could it be an algicide or something? Yeah, no, you don't. We'll have to set it up. But you can make it so there's a little green ring. Don't do it now, but that means that we're within gliding distance of everything inside of that.
734 Alpha uniform departing runway 29, close traffic, Quakertown.
So there's Quakertown Airfield, directly straight ahead. See, James? Where we took off from?
Oh yeah, I see.
You see it?
Yeah.
I never thought of it. I mean, we could do it, but I don't want to do it in this airplane. But next time she comes for a ride, because you're going to have to do some landings up at Lehigh Valley, so that would be kind of interesting for her.
Yeah.
Talking like you're not there, but sorry.
So, I guess I can swing out,
We could
come back around, enter the downwind?
Yep. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we could do some pattern work now if you want.
Great. Pretty cool, isn't it, James?
Yeah, it's really cool.
14 inches of mercury. Remarks, density altitude 2300.
I do my pre-landing checklist now.
Quakertown Airport.
Automated weather observation 1552 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition few at 3,100. Temperature 29 Celsius. Dew point.
Okay.
Back to
So you could make an announcement that, we're Skyhawk, 6 miles south of the airport will be entering 45 for 29.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk 6 miles south, will be entering the downwind on a 45, Quakertown.
Very good. And then do your pre-landing check, but just you don't have to put the carb heat on now if you don't want, because you'll do that on downwind too, but now's a good time to do your first pre-landing check.
So wait to put the carb heat till I actually get in the downwind?
Some people do it out here, some people do it when you do your downwind. I have no preference. I'll usually turn my lights on out here.
So this will be
strobe.
Landing lights, right?
You can put the nav lights and the landing light and the strobe. Yep.
So strobe and landing lights on?
Yep.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk entering downwind for runway 29, Quakertown.
Where was that girl? I can't.
What's that?
There was another, that other one that was working the pattern, the woman. But that's fine. So now you do your pre-landing check.
Do you see any other airplanes up here right now?
I don't see any, no.
Nope.
Hold on.
There's your 75.
Pitch forward.
Quakertown traffic. Quakertown traffic. Archer departing runway 29er, Quakertown.
Remember, pitch is airspeed, power is altitude. So that looks pretty good as far as your pitch goes.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk turning base for runway 29, Quakertown.
Next flaps. There you go. Nice.
Orange County traffic, white gray Cessna inbound from southwest 10 nautical miles.
Let's pitch down.
Orange County.
Just hold that right there. That's good. Like that. That's beautiful.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk turning final, runway 29, Quakertown.
Nice job. Right at 1,000 feet, right over the little pond below us. Beautiful.
White Archer departing the pattern to the south.
Looking good. No, don't go forward. Just hold it back. Hold it, hold it. There you go. Good. Nice. Nice. Good one.
A little different with that stall kit.
Yep. All airplanes are the same, but they don't all fly the
Quakertown
same.
traffic, Skyhawk, clear runway 29, Quakertown.
Nice job.
You alright, Jane?
Yeah.
Good for another one?
I ain't got nothing, man, so I can stay all day. But you guys are the ones that are kid-free, so you probably don't want to stay too long.
Well, after this, we go to get the kids, so.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk 734 Alpha Uniform, departing runway 29, closed traffic, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic, 102 Echo Victor, it's about 2 to the southwest, inbound for 29. Quakertown traffic.
Funny, Jane, one of the hardest things to remember is to steer with your feet, not with your hands when you're on the ground.
Oh.
Takes a while to get used to.
Okie dokie, she's off, so. And he's not in the pattern yet, so. We're all set.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk, departing runway 29, staying in the pattern, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic, 102 Echo Victor, just joining the left downwind for 29, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk 734 Alpha Uniform, correction is departing the traffic pattern to the south, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic, 102 Echo Victor, turning left base for 29, Quakertown.
Definitely takes a little longer to get off the ground today. Watching the end of that runway coming.
Yeah.
Quakertown traffic, 102 Echo Victor, turning final for 29, Quakertown.
There's the corn maze at the farmer stand there, James. See it? They're getting ready for Halloween. She must have lost her mic again.
Are you talking to me? What did you say?
There was the corn maze back there for.
I was wondering what that
Sleepy
was.
Hollow or whatever.
Yeah.
Windy Springs.
I figured it out. When I lean against the door, my stuff cuts out.
Oh, okay.
Here, where the connections are to
Yeah,
headphones.
right,
When
yeah.
I lean there, it cuts out.
Yeah.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk turning crosswind for runway 29, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic, 102 Echo Victor is clear the runway, Quakertown traffic.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk turning downwind for runway 29, Quakertown. Still climbing.
Right. Yeah.
A little bumpy.
Yeah, it's getting there. It's a little blacker to the west, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you need to add any power.
Okay.
Just leave it at,
Right around 1700.
oh, I think 15 ought to take us.
Okay.
And make your turn now, 45 off from the end of the runway, so you can make Archer base turn a little.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk turning base for runway 29, Quakertown. Quakertown traffic, turning final for runway 29, Quakertown. Easy, girl, easy.
No, don't worry about the bumps. Just keep it steady, because by the time you hit the pothole, when you make a correction, you're already by it. So, doing great, doing nice.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
You're fine. Good, good. Hold it. Don't do anything. Just hold it. There you go.
Wow.
Beautiful. Hold it. Nice.
Man, she like fell out of the sky there. That was crazy.
Hands didn't even. Well, the wind is a little. It says steady, but it's really not. You can get off here probably.
Okay.
Nice.
Definitely a different feel.
Yep. Well,
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk, clear runway 29, Quakertown.
But I didn't help you. I had my hands up there, but I didn't help you. You did it.
I was pulling back and it wasn't reacting. Got time for one more, James? Yeah. Is that all right, Bob? All right. One more round, then we'll.
Your dime.
Call it a day.
It's an airplane, so it was a car, it'd be your nickel. It's an airplane, it's your dime.
It's your quarter.
Yeah, right. What have you got in that car? That can't be the original engine in there.
It's a 406.
Ah, okay.
It's a 400 punch 30 over.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Ah, somebody took our parking spot.
Oh yeah. You definitely got to go around another time then.
That's right.
Good? Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk departing runway 29, staying in the pattern, Quakertown.
Better footwork that time. And this time, use your feet a little more and your hands a little less on final.
Okay.
Because the wind's coming right straight down the runway. So let's get in that center line a little better.
Gotcha. Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk, turning crosswind for runway 29, Quakertown. Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk, turning downwind for runway 29, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic 102, Echo Victor, departing runway 29 and heading to the north, Quakertown traffic. Quakertown traffic, Mooney is circling about 1,800, about 5 miles to the west of the field.
Anybody else doing sightseeing today?
Yeah. Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk, turning base for runway 29, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic 102, Echo Victor, departing to the north, last call, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic, Skyhawk, turning final for runway 29, Quakertown.
Hey, Quakertown traffic, Mooney is entering the downwind on the 45, runway 29, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic, Mooney's downwind, 29, Quakertown.
Hold it up. Don't go forward. Hold back on the oak, back on the oak, back on the oak, back on the oak. There you go. Okay.
Good deal.
Quakertown traffic, Moody is base, 29, Quakertown. Quakertown traffic, Moody final, 29, Quakertown.
Quakertown traffic, clear runway 29. Skyhawk, Quakertown.
Light's not working today again.
Yeah, this one, I don't know, this one's getting a little choppy at times.
I'll take it and show you where to line it up so you don't have to push very much when you park this one. Now watch me screw it up.
I don't know, you've been doing pretty good lately.
Yeah. Hey, from the Midwest, even a blind pig could find an acorn once in a while. What you want to do is you want to just line it up right on this line here. All you have to do is just put, and then get your nose wheel straight, you just push it right straight back.
Great.
All right, your airplane?
Yep, thank you. Okay. 1,000 RPM.